Be Seen, Be Safe involves children exploring different everyday materials to see which are best suited to being seen in the dark. The materials that they test may be readily available around your setting, either among the art, D&T, or science resources. Ensure you select a range of materials of different colours, with some being more and some being less reflective. If using clothing, you could ask the children to bring in an item of clothing that they would wear outdoors at night. The only other resource that is required is torches, which you should check are working before delivering the activity. The challenge with this activity is creating a partial blackout environment for the children to test the materials. If you have dark blinds or curtains, then this problem is largely solved. If not, simple solutions are to cover the windows with opaque paper or fabric. Alternatively, use a blackout tent or blackout fabric. Blackout fabric can be used to make a blackout tent by draping it over a table or two chairs, allowing the children to work underneath it. If none of these are possible, the children can probably do the activity using their coats instead of blackout fabric. The simplest approach to the children recording their findings would be to ask them to sort the materials according to how easy they think they will be to see in the dark before testing them. Then take a photograph of that and compare it to their findings from testing. Ask the children to share which materials were easy to see in the dark and which were not. Were any of the materials easier or harder to see in the dark than they expected? You can then ask them which of the materials they think would be best to use to make an item of clothing that could be worn outside at night so the person wearing it would be seen in the dark. Hopefully, the children will identify that some of the materials are not suitable for making clothing from, even though they were easy to see in the dark. They could then make a design for the item of clothing using the most appropriate materials.